One little bird. Just one. Just one. No one will know the difference. No one. No one. Just one. Then I'll quit. I'll quit after one. Just one. Just one. Give me one little bird. Just one. One. I can't stand it. I gotta have a bird. I'm weak. I'm weak. But I don't care. I can't help it. After all, I am a pussycat.
Oh, come now. There's no need for this demonstration. Birds and cats can live together with brotherly love. Watch. Come here, little bird. Here, you see? I really love birds.
Stop it!
Let me go! I gotta have it! One little bird! Just
control yourself!
It's been so long! Oh, let me go!
Like I said before, once a bad old putty cat, always a bad old putty cat.